Alright, today I am going to head to Southwestway Park. It is on the southwest side of Indianapolis. There's trails that goes along the White River. I've got my drone with me. I want to try to put the drone in the air and get some photos, maybe a video. And if I have any skill at all, I will try to incorporate a little bit of a drone video into this scooter video. But my skills aren't that great, so we will see about that. It's not that far. I'm gonna go down State Road 1444, go across the White River, then shoot up Main Road, Southwestway Park, and then we'll hike the trail down to the river, and then fly the drone. All right, here we go. All right, I just crossed State Road 37, Highway 37. Up here on the right, we're going to go across the White River Bridge. Circle City. Some kayakers putting in on the river. Let this guy in the truck trailer go by me here. There's the White River. Alright, we are on Main Road now, heading north. Yesterday I got on my scooter and I was trying to do a sunset cruise, and the battery on my GoPro died, so I did not get the sunset cruise that I was hoping for. The trees covering the road, it's like we're in a tunnel. It's great. I love it. Wish it was like this year round. And this road's actually pretty sweet, so I guess I'm just going to try to film the entire length. I don't think it's too much farther until we get there. Just a couple miles down the road here. What are you doing, squirrel? What are you doing? Which way are you going? Good choice, good choice. Oh yeah, the Indianapolis 500 is this weekend. So if any of you are coming to the Circle City for the race, welcome, welcome, welcome. Tomorrow is a party at the track. Got a bunch of different concerts going on tomorrow night, and I'll be working as usual. The corn is starting to grow. There used to be an old saying about corn, knee-high by the 4th of July. 9 times out of 10 though, 4th of July comes around and the corn is way higher than knee-high. Southwestway Park's a pretty cool park. They got nice trails that go along the river and along the golf course. I have been coming over here since I was a kid, and they have made the trails a lot nicer. I think it's over there where that tower is. I don't know if you can see that on this little camera. but it's not too much farther. What's this squirrel doing? Get out of the road, squirrel! Trying to make me kill myself. Jeez. I have a cement truck riding my booty. So I'm gonna pull over right here real quick and let him go by me. One nice thing about a scooter that you can easily do a little pullover and be courteous to your other fellow passengers on the roadways. That's another thing I love about the scooter. Like yesterday, I seen an emu or an ostrich, I'm not sure. I think it was an emu. And I started to go down the road and look for a driveway to turn around in, and I realized I'm on my scooter. And I just turned around right in the road. Takes 2 seconds. Hit the brakes, back the other way. But yeah, I'm still not sure. I think it was an emu. An emu? An emu? I'm not sure how you even say it. E-M-U? Indianapolis welcomes you. Indianapolis encompasses all of Marion County. So like the whole square county is considered Indianapolis, even though Indianapolis, the city itself, is right in the center of the county. Then you have little outskirts like Homecroft, Speedway, you know, that are also considered their own little towns inside of Indianapolis. So then they go by the population of Indianapolis is this much, but then they're including the sprawl around the whole county. And up here on the right is the Winding River Golf Course. I'm hoping my camera doesn't die on me today. Just in case it does, I'll go ahead and say goodbye right now. I'm joking. I think I charged it up decently. I like Winding River Golf Course. It's very pretty. Has a couple really picturesque holes that almost look like they should be on the PGA Tour. This is a little par 3. These guys are teeing off at. Up here is the little clubhouse, and then just past the park down here, or just past the golf course down here on the right is the park. Busy day. It's golf season, people. It's golf season. I also like their little driving range right here. Their driving range is along this little hill. And then you get to knock it down the hill. So it makes you feel like you're a better golfer because it's elevated, so you get better distance off your tee shots. I have not played there in a long time. I used to come over here years ago, and the trail goes right through those woods. And I found hundreds of golf balls. I did find, and I've got buckets in my garage. More golf balls than I'll ever know what to do with, and I'm not sure why I do that. It's just like an obsession I get, where I'm like, I gotta look for golf balls. It's like Easter egg hunting almost, you know. Well, here's Southwestway Park. Up here is the parking area where the trailheads begin. We'll park it here, walk down to the river, hopefully find a nice quiet spot to fly the drone. This is the busy park. It never used to be this busy back in the day. It wasn't this nice. Now it's fancy. It's all fancy in here. Making our way down to the river. And then there's the river. And I think I'm going to try to fly the drone right here. Nice little space above me. Alright, well, that was fun. Something to do before I went to work. Get a few pictures. And I'm going to head back to my house. I'm going to sign this video out here. And to all of you coming to the Indianapolis 500 this weekend, stay safe, be good, and remember, most importantly, party hard. All right, till next time.